TRADESAFE Faucet Mount Eyewash Station transforms your faucet into a reliable supplemental personal eyewash unit. Built from premium chrome-plated copper, this faucet eyewash unit withstands corrosion and performs reliably in demanding environments. Multi-layer aerated nozzles with built-in pressure regulators deliver a soft, steady flow of 3 gallons per minute for over 15 minutes, even during pressure changes. Each nozzle can be adjusted to accommodate users of various heights. Flip-top caps keep nozzles clean and ready for emergency use. The integrated diverter valve allows seamless mode switching. Turn it counterclockwise for eyewash mode and clockwise for regular faucet use. Keeping the diverter valve in the counterclockwise position ensures eyewash activation when the faucet is turned on. This faucet mount eyewash fits most 55/64 by 27 female thread standard faucets. Includes 3/8, 13/16, and 15/16 faucet adapters for convenient and secure installation across various setups. Includes highly visible signs in English and Spanish and bilingual inspection tags for easy identification and maintenance tracking. Perfect for labs, small workspaces, and other areas with limited space where safety equipment must be ready and accessible anytime. Rigorously tested to exceed ANSI and OSHA compliance requirements as a supplemental personal eyewash unit. Don't compromise on eye safety. Equip your workplace with TRADESAFE Faucet Mount Eyewash Station. Innovative safety solutions. Trusted by industry leaders. TRADESAFE.